freight elevator here at Hoagland Hall. Valley Elevator Company. This is at University of California, Davis in Davis, California. Look at this 2-speed wooden gate. Well, 2 sections. I see they have done a little bit of work on this elevator. For one, there's a nice new light in here, LED, so you can really see everything now. This is a rotary hydraulic freight elevator. Oildraulic, installed by Valley Elevator Company. You can see how they just put the key switch right over the logo. C.G. Anderson. Right here is the interlock system. Super cool. Let's watch that one more time.